Namaste. Today I am going to show a simple and effective home remedy for mosquito bite using a single drug, that is Tulsi or holy basil. Pluck the fresh leaves of Tulsi. After cleaning it, place it on your hands for crushing and to obtain the Tulsi leaf juice. Tulsi leaf juice is used as ear drops in case of earache. Tulsi leaf juice used against mosquito bite, urticaria, poisonous bite, etc. Tulsi leaf juice added with honey is very effective in case of cough and cold. Crush the leaves thoroughly to obtain the juice. No water is added. After the juice is obtained, place it over the mosquito bite site. Rub it nicely for 1 to 5 seconds. Thank you.